Ciro, did you shut it?
Huh?
Did you shut the engine? Shut it. Correcto. All the oil is gonna go to one side now. Ciro. There you go, now we're talking. Ciro, es muy early to be doing this stuff, man.
Allá en el rancho igual. Dale, Ciro, dale.
Ciro, find a hole.
Ciro, se enojó.
No, que encontró un hueco. Lo quiso probar con la frente y todo. Ciro, keep it straight, keep it straight. If you can, try to back it up. See if you can make it line up in there so the front tire will grab in that root in there. If possible, if not, just winch it. Okay, now floor it a little to the left. A little to the left, so the tire will grab something before they bottom out. To the left, not to the right. You back to square one, but that works. No, you back to square one, you were supposed to make it left, not right. Left. More. There you go. So you pick a little moment to try to climb up over the hook. Así, Ciro. Alright, te jodió, otro muerto. Hola, hay otro muerto, otro muerto. No, está sentado. Saca el winche para carajo, don't kill yourself. Ciro, I got you on video. I know it was behind me, but no, I got it anyways. Oh, watch out. Hold on, let me make sure that thing is clean. Yeah, for sure I got you. For sure I got you in there. Como que está por el árbol ese. Walk it. Keep going. Ya está afuera.
Vamos, sonido no salga.
¿Ya? Porque ahí es donde zafa.
Sí, es todo el zafa.
¿Ah? Cuando dobla es cuando zafa.
No, al resto suena más bien.
Sí, porque ahí cuando engancha los dientes. Sí, ¿estaba bueno el hueco o no estaba bueno el hueco? Let me stop the video so I don't have to look for it too much.